Hey everybody, it's Kent Davis from Panama Equity. I'm the managing director and I've been in Panama since 2007. So here is what you need to know about health insurance and overall health costs in Panama. It's amazing. I've had 2 kids, multiple surgeries, overnight stays, and a ton of broken bones and pneumonia and all that good stuff. Knock on wood, mostly not me, but the family. So we have had impeccable, exceptional experience with Hospital Nacional, the national hospital. Now, don't get it confused with the nationalized hospitals. Here in Panama, all workers and most people have access to the Caja de Seguro Social, which is basically like the Social Security hospital system. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the national hospital, or the Hospital Nacional, which is in downtown Bellavista. Fantastic. Like all the way from the guys that clean the floors to the guys that process your bills to the doctors that attend you and the equipment, exceptional. Punta Pacifica is also really good, Johns Hopkins affiliated. Paitilla also really good. So you've got 3 great choices and 2 more choices coming along in the next couple of months. You've got the medical center in Paitilla, a second medical center, and you've also got a really high-end medical center out in Costa del Este. So in the city, you are covered. I pay, I think it's like $350 a month for coverage for my 4 family members, wife, 2 kids, myself, non-smokers. I mean, that's awesome. My copays are very low. My deductible is reasonable, and have really gotten good quality care since 2007. Again, overnight stays. We had a kid that was cesarean, too much information. And I think out of pocket, we paid about, I want to say like $5,000. It's kind of funny. In Panama, the tradition is, you know, dads love this. Poor moms. The tradition is you get a private, hospital suite, which are really nice, super cute, like a couch, refrigerator, waiting room, personal waiting room, and then connected to the medical room where mom is. And the day after you have a kid, you have a huge party. And everybody brings like bottles of alcohol and food, and you're just celebrating. Everybody sees the baby, and then you go into hiding for like a couple of months at your house. But yeah, it's hilarious. And again, I think we paid like $5,000 or $6,000 all in, good coverage. I mean, obviously there's it might not have even been that much. Maybe it was like $4,000. And for a natural birth, it was less. It was like $2,000 or $3,000 tops. Again, that's with insurance coverage, but really nice facilities, great doctors. A lot of the doctors speak English. Yeah, I can't say enough about the quality medical health care here in Panama City. You get outside of the city and it really depends what you are looking for. So places like Coronado have a clinic that is pretty well equipped. Same thing in Pedasi, pretty decent. But for your major work, you're gonna wanna be close to the city. I mean, you can get attended to ER type facilities in these clinics that I've mentioned. Same thing with La Chorrera, which is about 40 minutes outside of Panama City. Same thing I understand in Boquete. You've got some good facilities in David and also up in Boquete. Yeah, the thing about Panama and what makes it so cheap is it's not a very litigious culture, i.e. you can't just go suing your doctor for nonsense, which means that your insurance coverage doesn't have to be so high that protects the doctors from getting sued from silly stuff. So that's kind of the magic formula. Most of these doctors are trained overseas, meaning, again, they do speak English. Mostly Panamanian doctors, but very educated, very personable, available on the cell phone. Like, I can't say enough good things about insurance and the overall healthcare in Panama. Happy to say more, though. So comments, direct messages, all good. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.